So here we have a paintless dent removal kit. There's many out there. This is a pretty common one. And this is the box this one comes in. So everything is just kind of laid in there. So we get a little spatula, or actually a couple of them, a flat and also with some teeth to like scrape the glue off. A little spray bottle for the alcohol to release the glue. Looks like some silky rag. The hot glue gun with a decent length cord. Pretty generic, but this should do the job. We got some pulling tabs, different kinds. There's also some different colored ones. The glue sticks, black and more like a yellowy clear. The tapping kit comes with different types of tips. The hammer, which is rubber on one side and like a plastic on the other. Not very heavy, so it's made for, you know, more light tapping to get the fine details. And then also our main tool here, which is the puller, and it comes in the set. So you can make it long where you use the weight to beat it out, or you can use the short one without the weight and the long piece. So then here we have the instruction manual. Here it kind of gives you an idea of what to do with each tool. Well, I guess these are different kind of kits, and looks like that's the one we got there. So in any case, that's the whole kit here.